Okay, this lesson continue from previous one. I will show you how to use labels. Open Sim Builder. Okay, let me make some space for labels in front of text field. Normally we don't need a reference variable for labels, but I will just put it as fx id, number 1, number 2, and sum. Labels I like to use a prefix called LBL, so I will call it as LBL number 1, number 2, and sum, and then save it. Okay, whenever you make changes on UI design, you need to save it and make a new controller. So now you can see a reference variable for labels, LBL number 1, 2, and then sum. Now let's launch the projects and then test it with two numbers. Okay, let me put two numbers, 100, 200, click some buttons. Let's see what happens if I change some value. That shouldn't happen, so let's go back to Sim Builder and try to fix it. Okay, let's select the sum text field and go to Properties. Uncheck Editables. It will prevent to change the value manually, so the end users won't be able to change it by themselves. Let's try again. 100, 200, select some buttons and try to change the value. Actually, I'm trying, but I won't be able to do so here.